The tapestry of time. Life, it seems, is a lot like quilt making. Each piece of fabric, a memory, some bright, some faded, some soft, some rough. But all stitched together, they tell a story, my story. And as I sit here, with my mama's old quilt draped over my knees and those journals from the 90s spread out before me, I'm reminded that reflection ain't just about looking back. It's about understanding the threads that brought us here. Each page of these journals holds a fragment of my past, a snapshot of moments that once seemed insignificant but now weave together to form the fabric of my life. I remember the laughter of friends on summer nights, the tears shed over lost loves, and the quiet moments of solitude that brought clarity. These memories, like the patches of a quilt, are varied and unique, yet they come together to create a cohesive whole. As the sun sets and the stars begin to twinkle, I think about the passage of time, how days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. It's easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle of daily life, to forget the importance of pausing and reflecting. But it's in these quiet moments, under the vast expanse of the night sky, that we truly understand the journey we've been on. The quilt on my lap is more than just a blanket. It's a testament to resilience and creativity. Each stitch represents a decision, a moment of perseverance, a choice to keep going even when the path was uncertain. The fabrics, some worn and frayed, others vibrant and new, symbolize the highs and lows of life. Together, they create a beautiful tapestry that tells a story of growth, love, and endurance. And so, as I sit here, wrapped in the warmth of my mama's quilt, I realize that the tapestry of time is not just about the past. It's about the present and the future, too. It's about cherishing the moments we have now and looking forward to the ones yet to come. Each day is a new piece of fabric, a new opportunity to add to the story of our lives. And with each stitch, we continue to create a masterpiece that is uniquely our own. Whispers from the past. The night sky, so vast and endless, holds countless stories, much like the pages of an old journal. The pages of these journals are brittle now, filled with hopes and dreams written in a hand that seems so young now. Each entry, a snapshot of a moment in time, a whisper from the past that echoes through the years. The 90s. Those were years of change, weren't they? A time when the world seemed to be shifting beneath our feet, and we were all trying to find our place in it. The music, the fashion, the technology, everything was evolving at a pace that felt both exhilarating and overwhelming. I was just starting out, fresh out of college, starry-eyed and ready to take on the world. The future was a blank canvas, and I was armed with dreams and ambitions, ready to paint my masterpiece. Graduation day felt like the beginning of an adventure, a journey into the unknown. There were triumphs, of course, landing my first real job, that little blue car I bought all on my own. It wasn't just a car. It was a symbol of independence, of stepping into adulthood. I remember the feeling of holding that job offer letter in my hands, the excitement, the sense of accomplishment. Those memories shine like bright stars in my mind. Each success, each milestone, a star in the constellation of my life. They remind me of the times when everything seemed possible, when the world was full of promise. But oh honey, there were stumbles too. Life isn't just about the bright stars. It's also about the moments when the light fades, when things don't go as planned. Those moments, they shape us just as much as the triumphs. Relationships that fell apart like shooting stars, leaving nothing but a trail of dust. The heartbreaks, the goodbyes, the moments when it felt like the world was crumbling around me. Each broken relationship, a lesson learned, a step towards understanding myself better. Jobs that fizzled out before they even began. The disappointments, the rejections, the times when I questioned my path. Each job that didn't work out. A reminder that success isn't a straight line, but a winding road with many detours. Those memories, they're like shadows in the night sky, always there, reminding me that even in the darkness there's a certain beauty. The shadows, they add depth to the light, they make the stars shine brighter. They remind me that every experience, every moment is a part of the journey, a part of the story that is my life. And as I look back, I realize that it's the combination of light and shadow that makes the night sky so breathtaking, so full of whispers from the past. Stardust dreams and earthly goals. One dream, though, burned brighter than all the rest, taking care of my family. I wanted to build them a life filled with comfort and joy. And in those days, that meant one thing: money. I set my sights on making $100,000 a year. Seemed like a mountain of money back then, enough to reach the moon and back. My family was my world, my anchor, and my inspiration. Every star in the sky seemed to whisper their names, urging me to strive harder, to dream bigger. I remember the nights spent under that vast expanse of twinkling lights, making silent promises to myself, promises that I would give them everything they deserved. The journey was anything but easy. There were countless late nights, endless hours of work, and moments of doubt that threatened to overshadow my dreams. But every challenge was a stepping stone, every setback a lesson. I learned the value of perseverance, the importance of resilience, and the power of unwavering determination. As the days turned into months and the months into years, my goal of $100,000 a year became more than just a number. It became a symbol of hope, a beacon of light guiding me through the darkest times. It wasn't just about the money, it was about what it represented: security, happiness, and a future where my family could thrive. And then, one day, it happened. I reached that seemingly insurmountable goal. The joy and pride I felt were indescribable. But the true reward was seeing the smiles on my family's faces, knowing that I had kept my promise. The journey had been long and arduous, but it was worth every moment. Stardust dreams and earthly goals, they are not so different after all. Both require vision, dedication, and a heart full of hope. And as I stand here today, gazing up at the stars once more, I know that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. The weight of words. Looking back, I realize how much power I gave that number, how it became the sole measure of my success. My language, my thoughts, they were all consumed by that goal. And you know what? The harder I chased it, the further away it seemed to drift, like a distant planet I could never quite reach. A universe of possibilities. It took me a while, but I finally realized something important. Life. It ain't about chasing a single star. It's about opening yourself up to the entire universe. It's about the love you share, the kindness you give, the joy you find in the everyday moments. Money, it's important, sure, but it ain't the only constellation in the sky. As I got older, my priorities shifted. I learned that success wasn't a destination, but a journey. It was about raising kind, compassionate children, building a strong, loving marriage, finding joy in the simple things, like a warm cup of coffee on a chilly morning or the sound of my grandkids' laughter. Sure, there were still challenges. Life, as they say, is going to throw you some curveballs. But I learned to face them head on, with grace and resilience. I learned that failure ain't the opposite of success, but a stepping stone on the path towards it. These days, when I look up at the night sky, I don't just see stars. I see possibilities. I see dreams realized and dreams yet to be discovered. I see the infinite beauty of a life well lived, a life filled with love, laughter, and the unwavering belief that even in the darkest of nights, the sun will rise again. So tonight, I'll close these journals with a grateful heart. Grateful for the lessons learned, the love shared, and the unwavering belief that the best is yet to come. Because the truth is, honey, our stories are never truly finished. We're all still writing them, one precious moment at a time, and that, my dear, is a beautiful thing indeed.